Unlock next-level precision in motherboard repair. Meet the LY R690 BGA Rework station, engineered for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Imagine flawless chip reballing in your own workshop. No more guesswork, just reliable, accurate results. 4,000 watts power output delivers rapid, consistent heating. Tackle tough soldering jobs with ease and speed. Optional CCD camera system boosts your accuracy. See every detail, perfect alignment every time. 3 adjustable heating zones for tailored temperature control. Protect sensitive components with precise heat management. Switch between zones for different soldering needs. Comprehensive accessory kit included for versatility. 7 nozzles fit various chip sizes and shapes. Vacuum pen simplifies delicate chip handling. 6 PCB jig secure boards for stable repairs. Ergonomic drawer-type design ensures user comfort. Long machine lifetime, built for everyday use. Reduce fatigue during extended repair sessions. Transform your workflow with advanced features. Achieve professional-grade results at home or work. Upgrade from basic heat guns to true precision. Perfect for dry paint, chip reballing, and more. Effortlessly repair motherboards and delicate electronics. No more overheating or damaged components. Every feature designed for efficiency and safety. CCD camera system, see what others can't. Pinpoint accuracy for intricate soldering tasks. Adjustable heating zones adapt to every project. Accessory kit covers all repair scenarios. Drawer design makes setup and cleanup a breeze. Built to last. Invest in reliability. Ideal for technicians, hobbyists, and repair shops. Experience a new standard in BGA Rework. Speed up your repairs without sacrificing quality. Enjoy consistent, repeatable results every time. Take control of your soldering with confidence. Upgrade your toolkit with the LY R690 today. Don't settle for less. Choose precision and power. Ready to transform your repair experience? Order now and elevate your soldering game. LY R690, where innovation meets performance.